Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and today is a different type of video. I'm always showing you how to do sublimation, how to do t-shirts, how to do tumblers, but today I wanted to talk a little bit about how to take care of your health. So I think I told you all before that I am doing more of a healthy type of regimen when it comes to eating better, when it comes to juicing, and yes, I have lost a good amount of weight, and you probably can see it on my videos compared to my earlier videos. But now I'm doing a more of juicing, and I just wanted to show you the juicing that I'm doing. I'm using this juicer I've been had for a while now, actually a couple of years, and it's not the biggest juicer or have the biggest part at the top where I put my vegetables and my fruit, but I do make do with what I have, okay? So I suggest that you do the same. But if you do want to start juicing, make sure you get a juicer that can fit vegetables and fruit at the top that you're going to be juicing. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I do what's best for me in my household. And for me in my household, I decided that juicing was good for us as well as cutting back on a lot of different foods. So this is what I'm going to be showing you. I'm just going to be juicing this green juice that I'm making right here with apples and ginger and celery and all the different things that you will see me put in it. And also I'm going to use some cayenne pepper, which is very good. Also, now you can do your research to see what the benefits are for cayenne pepper. But this is what I do, and I just want to bring you along with me and show you how I make mine. I hope that you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. If you have any questions, leave the comments in the description. Leave the questions in the comment section below. And I'll answer them. Y'all have an amazing day. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I did have to come back on here because I did want to explain to you what I'm doing right here. So what I'm doing, I just strain my juice. As you see, it's a lot of pulp on top of it. And I do like pulp, but I don't want a whole lot of it. So what I do, I take this little strainer that I have right here. I have a bigger one, y'all, but I could not find it. So I just decided to use this little one right here. And I just strain my juice. Actually, it tastes a lot better when you strain it to me, but you always do what works for you and your family, but this is what me and my family like, so that's why I decided to strain it. But that's exactly what I'm doing, and make sure you get a bigger strainer if you do decide to juice and if you do decide to strain your juice. Okay, y'all, so you see all of the different pulp that is here, that's in this plate as well as in the strainer. So that's why I said I went ahead and strained mine because I did not want all of this inside of my juice, even though it may be healthy. And like I said, I do like a little of the pulp inside my juice. I just didn't want all of that. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my juicer and just let you see all of the different, I guess I don't know what you call it, the different parts of it that came out once I used the apples and the celery and the ginger, and you see all of that stuff is in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and take this and put in the trash and go ahead and wash out my juicer. So here's my juice right here. I'm just going to take this, go ahead and drink me some, put it in the refrigerator. And here's the cayenne pepper that I put just a little bit, y'all, because cayenne pepper is very hot and you have to be careful.